Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use points on McDonald's app. So let's open the app itself. You will see your points balance in the top right corner. Unfortunately, I have got 0 points, but I'll show you what you need to do if you have got the points, how to get free products. So you need to click deals in the bottom menu, guys. You need to look at the rewards and click view all, and here will be the products that you can redeem for points, guys. So there are entire menus, single burgers, french fries, and etc, guys. For example, you want to get this cheeseburger, so you need to click it, and if you have got enough points, you need to click the redeem button in the bottom, and it will generate the code, and you will use this code on kiosk, guys, and you will redeem the product for points, guys. So that's how you can use points on McDonald's. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.